Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 has stopped responding to touch commands or the display seems stuck on one screen, you're definitely not alone. A frozen screen on the Echo Show 15 can occur because of temporary software glitches, overloaded system processes, delayed updates, or connectivity interruptions. While the problem can be frustrating, it doesn't necessarily mean there's something seriously wrong with the device. In many cases, a few simple troubleshooting methods are enough to restore normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help unfreeze your Echo Show 15 and get it working smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Wait a few moments to see if the Echo Show 15 resumes normal operation on its own. Step 2. Try using voice commands to determine whether the Echo Show 15 is still responding in the background. Step 3. Disconnect the Echo Show 15 from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for several minutes. Step 4. Restore power to the Echo Show 15 and allow the device enough time to restart completely. Step 5. Check whether software updates are available for the Echo Show 15 after it becomes responsive again. Step 6. Confirm that the Echo Show 15 screen is operating normally and responding properly to touch commands.